guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make your aloe vera oil at home the heated method way. If you're a new viewer to my YouTube channel, you can go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, and also remember to hit that notification button. And to all my day ones, welcome back. So to start off with making your aloe vera oil, the first thing you want to do is get the hook section off the aloe vera, just to prevent any sort of, you can get cuts or you can get scrapes from it. Just to be very cautious, you want to do this method. You don't have to, but I always do because I'm very clumsy sometimes, so I make sure I take it off. You're going to start by cutting the aloe vera in very small pieces. This is going to help you with the blending process, to make sure everything is blended very nice and smooth. As you can see, very small pieces. Most people, I notice, they take the skin off and just blend the gel, but for me, I like to keep the skin on. There's no particular reason. I just like to get every ingredient as I can. So now we're going to start with the blending process. You don't have to add water like I did. I add just a very little bit of water. Aloe vera has a lot of water in it, so you don't really need it. I just did it just because. You do not have to do it. Now you're going to make sure that you blend it into almost like a smoothie texture. Make sure all the skin is blended in with the gel. If you're using the gel, the blending process will be less time consuming, but once you have the skin, you want to make sure you blend it very well. As you can see here, everything is now blended into almost like a smoothie version. So now to start to make your aloe vera oil, I'm going to pour 3 cups of aloe vera, the smoothie and aloe vera gel that I just blended, into a heated frying pot. And I'm using a medium heat for this process, and I'm going to use 2 cups of virgin coconut oil that I made at home. You can use, most people use virgin olive oil. For this method, I will be using my coconut oil. Now, medium heat, as I suggested before, just to prevent any sort of burn on your pots or anything, I prefer medium heat. So now I'm going to cook this mixture on medium heat for about 1 to 2 hours. Just depends on what kind of heat you're using. For me, it took me about an hour and a half to do. And whenever you are cooking this mixture, it's very important that you actually keep mixing the mixture so you don't get any burn or having your aloe vera get stick to the pot. It's very easy for it to stick to the pot. Once your mixture starts to turn to brown, you know that it's time for you to turn the stove off. Your product is ready, your oil is ready. I'll suggest, once you turn your stove off, to just give it a little minute to cool down a little before you start your straining process. So this is the oil, and I poured it in my recyclable salsa bottle to have it cool down before I put it in my DIY air oil bottle. And I think it's going to be around 10 ounces, 10 to 12 ounces that I got out of it. I'll be using it in my hair and my son's locks as well as my husband's locks. And there you go. So it is actually around 10 ounces that I got out of this bottle. So if you do enjoy watching my video, Please remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification button as well for new content that I will be having coming out twice a week. And thank you guys so much for watching again. And please remember, peace, love, and positivity.